You are watching to fun and easy learning site Mr. Ask Me Anything. In this video series, I'm providing an answer key of Set B question paper of All India Board Examination-XVI 2021. Okay, now let us come to question 1. Promissory estoppel against government agencies is decided in option C, that is Ponami All Mills versus State of Kerala. Question 2. Frustration of contract is provided by which section of the Indian Contract Act? It is provided in section 56, that is option D. Question 3. Schedule 2 of the Employees Compensation Act 1923 deals with option B, list of persons who are included in the definition of employee. Question 4. Freedom of residence under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution is available in which of the following clauses? It is provided in option A, clause 1E. Question 5. Under which section of the Evidence Act admission are defined? It is provided in section 17 of Indian Evidence Act. Now coming to question 6. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court has held that the investigation officers should be allowed to refer to the records of investigation? The option is State of Karnataka versus Yerappa Reddy. You can look or you can refer to section 159 and 161 of Indian Evidence Act. Question 7. Recovery of specific immovable property may be obtained by CPC within what period? It can be option B, within 6 months. You can refer this section 6 of Specific Relief Act. Question 8. Who appoints the Commissioner for Rehabilitation and Resettlement under the LARR Act? The answer is option D, State Government. Question 9. The payment of compensation to the railway employees by the Railway Administration for injury by accident is governed by. Here this is little bit confused. Actually it should be provided in the Workmen's Compensation Act, but here it is 1986. The option may be A or B, but the real essence should be the Workmen's Compensation Act 1923. For your understanding, the Workmen's Compensation Act is renamed to Employees Compensation Act in 2009. Thus, workmen or men is equal to employees. Okay, proceeding to the next question, question number 10. Let me not read the question because it is going to take a longer time. The answer for question 10 is option C, that is rupees 1,40,000. It is in the case of disablement, but if it is referring to the case of death, it should be 1,20,000. So coming to question 11, the option should be B, that is section 216 of IPC. Question 12, the maxim actus non facit reum nisi mansit rea means option A, there can be no crime without a guilty mind. Coming to question 13, the answer should be option C, that should be Hadley versus Wexendal. Coming to question 14, it is about arbitration and it is provided in option B is the correct answer. Now coming to question 15, here the subsequent conduct is a material, that is change of life, evasion of justice, fear, trembling. This will be a material, and you know that evasion means deliberately avoiding something that you are supposed to do or deal with. Question 16, the answer should be B, that is mandatory. The section 10 of CPC is mandatory. Now coming to question 17, the answer should be explanation 4 to the section 11, that is about constructive res judicata. And coming to question 18, the answer should be D, that is Suresh Kaushal versus Nas Foundation. Coming to question 19, the answer should be option B, that is quasi-judicial proceeding. The answer for question 20 should be D. And the answer for question 21 also D, that is MISNI profit is provided in section 2 subsection 12 of Civil Procedure Code. Question 22 answer should be B, and question 23 option should be also B. Question 24 the option should be A. Question 25 the option should be D. Question 26, health and education says is applicable to all the assessors. This is option A is the correct answer. Question 27, I'm not sure about the accurate answer because there is 2 or more options that is very much near to the answer. So here it talks about the contractual liability. So contractual liability arise in the case of option A, which is also correct. But in the case of like option C, option D is also have a chances of the correct answer. So let us wait for the accurate answers provided by the Bar Council of India. Let us come to question 28. The correct option for question 28 should be C. For question 29, the correct option should be A. For question 30, the correct option should be D. For question 31, there is a conflict. The cybercrime is intangible in nature. But if you look to the main content of the cybercrime, it is also providing a tangible threat. So this is also not sure. Let us wait for the answer provided by the Bar Council of India. Question 32, the correct option should be C. Question 33, the correct option should be C, that is cognizable and non-valuable. And coming to question 34, the correct option should be C. Question 35, the correct option should be A. Question 34 and 35 is related to the law of torts. Question 36, the correct option should be C. Question 37, the correct answer should be option B. Question 38, the correct answer should be option D. Question 39, the correct option is B. Question 40. Here question 40 is based on general knowledge question. Here the objective resolution adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947 was drafted by Jawaharlal Nehru. So the correct option is A. Question 41. Right to property was eliminated from the list of fundamental rights during the tenure of this should be Morarji Desai. This is also based on general knowledge question. For question 42, I will not be able to provide the correct answer because I'm not sure about the option provided here. For more clarity, let us wait for the answer provided officially by the Bar Council of India. But for my genuine guess, still the option A should be the correct answer. Coming to question 43, option C is the correct answer. And coming to question 44, option A is the correct answer. Correct option for question 45 is D. Correct option for question 46 is D. Correct option for question 47 is C. Correct option for question 48 is B. Correct option for question 49 should be D. Question 50. For your clarity here, as per the section 53, it is provided in question paper, but actually it should be as per the section 44 of Indian Penal Code. The word injury denotes any harm, whatever illegally caused to any person. That is option A, B, C, all are correct. That is why option D is the correct answer. Question 51, the correct answer to my opinion is B. So far in my guess, I'm not sure about it, but for your guess, this option B is still the correct answer. Question 52, option B is the correct answer. And question 53, the correct option should be C. The correct option for question 54 is D. The correct option for question 55 is C. 56, the correct option should be B. Question 57, here the option provided in the question is contrast. But as per my opinion, the correct answer should be option B. Question 58, the correct option should be D. Question 59, the correct option should be A. Question 60, the correct option is A. Question 61, the correct option is D. Question 62, the correct option is D. The correct option for question 63 is A. Question 64, the correct option is C. Question 65, the correct option is C. Question 66, the acronym of WIPO is World Intellectual Property Organization. The correct option should be B. Question 67, the correct option should be C. Question 68, here I'm not sure about the answer. This casting couch in Bollywood, the Indian film industry is an example of I hope the correct answer should be both A and B, but let us wait for the more clarity given by Bar Council of India. Question 69, option D is the correct answer. Question 70, here the National Commission Consumer Protection is composed of 5 members is taken as the correct options. But if you look to the bare act, it says there should be not less than 4 members, including with the President of the National Commission. So let us wait for the more clarity about this. Coming to question 71, the correct option should be A. The correct option of question 72 is D. The correct option for question 73 is B. Correct option for question 74 is taken as a D. Here provided that here it says omission to give notice under Order 21 Rule 22 will not affect the executions unless the judgment debtors has sustained injury by such omission. Question 75, the correct option should be A. Question 76, the correct option is C. Question 77, the option is A. Question 78, the option is B. Question 79, the correct option should be B. It is provided in Order 6, Rule 18 of Civil Procedure Code. The correct option for question 80 is option C. The correct option for 81 is option B. Question 82, the correct option is B. Question 83, the correct option is D. Question 84, the correct option is D. Question 85, the correct option is C. Question 86, the correct option is B. Question 87, the correct option is C. Question 88, the correct option is C. Question 89, the correct option is B. Question 90, the correct option is B. Question 91, the correct option is 3/10, that is 30% of the net annual value. Question 92, the correct option is A. Question 93, the correct option is D. Question 94, the correct option is A. Question 95, the correct option is B. Question 96, the correct option is D. The correct option for question 97 is C. Correct option for 98. I will not be able to provide the correct answer for question number 98 because I am not sure about the option. But as per the Indian Evidence Act, the presumptions are divided into two, like presumptions of facts and presumptions of law. Question 99, the correct option is A, and the correct option for question 100 is option A.